now it's on.
Okay, now classic Erie doubleheader. We have to fire the camera. Oh, moose! You're gonna have to lip this one. Oh my! Oh no! Don't break it off! Oh no! Stick your thumb in his mouth. Oh! Yeah! Cut him off. Okay, put the toad. Oh yeah! That's why you come to Lake Erie. Woo! Oh, there we go.